Atlas, a jet-black South African Boerboel, weighed almost 200 pounds. Beside him was Nala, a caramel-colored giant with loose, wrinkled skin and gentle eyes. They had been surrendered when their owner moved into a tiny apartment and said he simply couldn't keep them anymore. The shelter tried everything. They even attempted to separate them, but Nala refused to eat, and Atlas howled until his voice broke. They were inseparable. A package deal few people were brave enough to take. Then one afternoon, Claire Whitmore walked past their kennel.